In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily buy just one single item on Alibaba. First, head to alibaba.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, register. It's quick. Complete your profile with accurate contact and shipping details. This helps suppliers calculate shipping and lets you check out without delays. Next, use the search bar to type the product you want. Once results appear, apply filters to make single item buying easier. Choose Ready to Ship and look for low MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. Open listings that clearly show MOQ one piece or one unit. You can also add keywords like sample, one piece, or single item to your search to surface more suitable listings. On each product page, double check the MOQ section. You want to see one piece or sample available. If the listing shows 100 pieces or more, skip it for now, unless you're prepared to message the supplier and ask for an exception. Now contact the supplier, click chat now, or contact supplier and send a short, polite note, such as, "Hello, I'd like to buy just one piece for personal use. Is this possible?" Many suppliers are flexible, even when the listing looks like it requires a larger order. Keep communication on Alibaba so everything is tracked, and ask for a sample order if needed. It's common to pay a slightly higher price for a single unit, so confirm the total upfront. Get clarity on the item price, the shipping cost to your address, and the estimated delivery time. If they mention shipping options, Express is faster and pricier, while Economy is cheaper and slower. Make sure the exact color, size, or variant you want is clearly stated. When you're ready to pay, use Trade Assurance. This Alibaba feature holds your payment until you receive the item as described, and it provides a dispute process if something goes wrong. Avoid paying outside Alibaba or via unofficial channels. To place the order, click Buy Now if the button appears. If not, ask the supplier to create an order for one piece and send you the Trade Assurance link. Enter your shipping address carefully and pay using a credit or debit card, online bank transfer, or PayPal where available. Double check the order details before submitting. Finally, track your purchase. Go to My Orders to see updates and a tracking number once it ships. If there are delays or questions, message the supplier directly. Be aware that import taxes may apply in your country and you might need to sign upon delivery. That's it. One item from Alibaba, made simple and safe.